And now we are given that the rate of change of v is going to be the difference between the value of c that is found in the previous part. We found it to be equal to 10, and an amount that is proportional to v, and the constant of proportionality is k, which means that dv dt is going to be 10 minus away kv. This is a variable separable kind of differential equation. If you want to solve for this differential equation, we got to bring the v over to the left hand side to combine it with the dv dt, because I'm seeing this as a function in terms of v multiplied by a function in terms of t, which is 1. So let us bring this over to the left hand side. We will have a 1 over 10 minus kv multiplied by dv dt. This is equal to 1. Integrating both left and right hand side with respect to t, it is going to be integration of 1 over 10 minus kv of dv is going to be equal to integration of 1 dt. And integrating this, it is going to be negative 1 over k ln of modulus of 10 minus kv is going to be equal to t plus an arbitrary constant. Let me go for b. And let's try to make v the subject. So minus k, I'm going to multiply it across to the other side. So I will have a ln of modulus of 10 minus kv is minus kt minus kb, which means that modulus of 10 minus kv is going to be e to the power of minus kt minus kb, which I can also rewrite this as e to the power of minus kb e to the power of minus kt, which means that 10 minus kv is going to be plus or minus e to the power of minus kb e to the power of minus kt. And as for plus or minus e to the power of minus kb, this is just another arbitrary constant. So I'm going to replace this by, let's say, d. So d e to the power of minus kt, this will be 10 minus kv, which means that v is going to be 1 over k of 10 minus d e to the power of minus kt. And according to the question, initially the velocity is 0, which means that when t is equal to 0, v is also equal to 0. So v, which is 1 over k of 10 minus d e to the power of 0 is 1. So 10 minus d, this is equal to 0. This tells me that d is just simply going to be equal to 10, which means that the velocity, the equation for the velocity, will be 1 over k of 10 minus d is 10 e to the power of minus kt. Or I can also rewrite this as 10 over k of 1 minus e to the power of minus kt.